Parrot, want a promotion?
Does it come with a raise?
No.
Then keep your promotion. I'm not stupid.
Why are you tired?
Uh,
Because I work more hours than all of you!
How?
Talk all day, that's overtime!
Oh, man, he's got us there.
All right, Officer Feathers, what's the crime today?
You were speeding? Talking too fast again! 10 minutes of silence!
What?
This case is too complicated.
Give it here. I solve cases faster than Google. Ha! Found the answer.
Hi?
Do you know how to make good coffee?
Not really.
Rejected. We need coffee experts only. Ha! Bwahaha!